In this video we're going to style this little Picea abies or spruce into a bonsai. So the tree is a Picea abies. I bought it at a bonsai store for 15 euro, so say about 17-18 US dollar, which I think is a fair price considering the fact that there's some nice fine branching. But other than that, the tree hasn't been styled before. It's in really good condition, very small needles as well, which is nice. So let's see what we can make of this. It's early spring right now, so very good time to work on the roots. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We'll place it in a small bonsai container. And I might do a bit of pruning as well, but I think that's pretty much all I'll do for now. I just want to make sure that the tree remains strong, keep momentum going, and we actually speed up things by doing a little bit less today and spreading out work, for example, in 6 months from now during fall. Let's begin with repotting.
As you can see here, the trunk is damaged on both sides, which I think is the result of the store where I bought the tree, ripping these trees apart and placing them in separate pots. It took about a year for these wounds to heal, as you will see later in the video. Before continuing, I'd like to show you our brand new Bonsai Care app. The app provides tree species specific information for all your trees, and it can set smart reminders to optimize the care for your bonsai. It is available for free in the app stores. This pot is just for training purposes. It's a glazed pot, which is not ideal, but for now it will do just fine. In the future, when we select the final pot for this tree, it will be an unglazed pot. Next, we prepare the pot by covering the drainage holes with a mesh. We also attach 2 long wires, which will be used to anchor the tree to the pot firmly. We add a layer of soil before placing the tree into the pot. The soil mixture we use is a blend of akadama, lava rock and pumice. You can read more about bonsai soil on our website, bonsaiempire.com. Place the tree slightly off-center in the pot and make sure to plant it at the right angle. Using the 2 long wires, we firmly attach the tree to the pot.
We repotted the tree 7 months ago and it's doing well. As you can see, lots of new growth, lots of back budding as well. So it's a healthy tree. and ready for today. We're going to prune it and wire it. Now it's quite a small and thin tree, so there's not too much pruning to be done. We'll make a few decisions today, and then the next step will be next summer and then next year. We do have to make a decision in terms of the big branches. There's quite a few big branches now, and we need to select the front first in order to make those decisions. This is a potential front, and this one as well. And since the tree is moving in that direction, so towards you now, I think this is the ideal front. And that means that this branch here is a very heavy upwards growing branch. I could make it a back branch, but it's just too big. So since this will be the new apex, this branch will have to come off. Now, the next steps, I'll start placing these branches, shorten them a little bit, add some wire, and basically that's all for today.
Styling a bonsai tree and applying these sort of techniques correctly is one of the most difficult parts in creating a bonsai tree. You can check out our YouTube channel for videos about these techniques, but perhaps also consider enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. Here, expert teachers explain all the relevant techniques in detail, and as a student you can also ask questions directly to the teachers. Each of our online bonsai courses have free previews available in the curriculums. Simply go to bonsaiempire.com/courses. Try to select pairs of branches that are more or less of the same thickness, and wire these with one piece of wire. Start with wiring the main branches, and slowly work your way up the tree. Smaller and thinner branches need a thinner wire as well.
Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.